Lula da Silva in Brazil as he began a state visit following the BRICS summit. Bilateral talks with regards to boosting ties across trade, defense, energy, and technology are on cards. Numerous bilateral agreements are expected to be signed. Prime Minister Modi will also be hosted for a state lunch at the Alvorada Palace. The visit marks the first bilateral state visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Brazil in nearly 6 decades. Now we move on to our next news. At least 2 hospitals in Kenya were damaged during Monday's protests, marking the 35th anniversary of pro-democracy rallies, according to officials today. The demonstrations, which police say left 11 people dead, followed public outrage over the recent death of a blogger in police custody. In Kitengela, just south of Nairobi, more than 100 armed men stormed a hospital demanding treatment for injured protesters. Staff said they were forced to flee, and some even disguised themselves in patient uniforms. The attackers damaged equipment and started a fire near the laboratory. Health workers and union officials criticized the government for failing to provide security at medical facilities, calling for immediate deployment of armed police to hospitals in protests hotspots. Now we move on to our next news. Liverpool and Portugal forward Diogo Jota was likely speeding when his vehicle crashed in Spain last week. According to police, the accident killed Jota and his brother Andre Silva. Investigators say skid marks and road conditions point to excessive speed. A road safety expert said the tragic outcome was due to multiple factors. The incident occurred just days after Jota's wedding, a fan favorite at Anfield. Jota scored 65 goals for Liverpool and helped Portugal win the 2025 Nations League. His death has sparked grief across the football world, with tributes pouring in from teammates, fans, and political leaders.